Hi everyone, I want to share today my newest journal. So this is Violeta, and it's mostly blue. I made a cover, and there's a lot of vintage lace. There's this gorgeous brooch. It's French. It's from Sarah Craft Paper Bit. I'm gonna add all the information in the description. So I attached the brooch in this piece of lace. And there is this beautiful fabric. This lace is gorgeous, this one. There's also this detail here that I hand stitched. So inside I used this French wallpaper, also from Sarah, and I used a lot of the digital papers from the Paper Cameo. I'm not gonna say all of them. I'm gonna just write in the description because the video is gonna be too long, but mostly I use it the Paper Cameos digital papers, and also there's some Poole Design, and I'm gonna show right now. So for the first page, I made this window here with this vintage frame, paper frame that I had, and there is this lovely card, this little girl, and when you remove it you can see this beautiful image. And then in the back I have this French document. It's so beautiful. This one is from 1863 and it's blue. I love the handwriting, so beautiful, with the stamps. And also this postcard, beautiful handwriting. And in the back there's this rose postcard, and then there are several of those vintage those journaling cards that I created, and I added a paper golden frame and one art image inside, so it looks like they're paintings. And it's a journaling card, and it's added with a glue dot, so it's removable. So this is another of the cards. I love this painting, so beautiful, and this page is gorgeous. So here is a postcard. It's an Italian postcard. Here it's antique. It's a vintage map. Here it's a tiny card, and it's a pocket, and here I added this lovely image and this charm, and here it's you can open and close, and this French document, it's also blue, and you can see the back, and you can write here, you can also write in the back. This page is so beautiful. Then there's this lovely journaling card with the same lace that I used in the front, the cover. And here it's a pocket, and there's a tiny charm. Here is another journaling card, and this image is from one of my digital kits, and I added this lady image. And it's also a pocket here, and I created this journaling card, and this page is a French book page. And here it's a little pocket and those two ephemeras. And this, it's a vintage card, and I made a tiny pocket here. And those are some papers that you can write in the back. And here it's a piece of an antique postcard. And here it's a letter that it was inside this envelope, and I'm gonna add the letter in this journal. And this little girl, it's an antique photograph. She's gorgeous. And this is the vintage envelope, and there's a pocket here, and here it's a tiny card I made. And this is a pocket, and this image, it's this lady. I think it's pretty. And here it's a pocket, another journaling card that looks like a frame, and here it's a tuck spot. Here it's a lace pocket, and here it's also a pocket with this image that I saw in the beginning of the year when I was traveling. It's so beautiful. I think it's a table, so pretty. And this a card. Here's the center, and here it's a postcard, a vintage postcard. And a pocket here, and a pocket here, it's a lace pocket, another here, and it's a journaling card. I added some gold. There's a lot of gold details in this journal. And here it's the other side of the envelope with this beautiful journaling card. And this is a piece of a French label that came with the lace. I love this printed rose head here. Here it's another journaling card that I created, and I added some texture here. It's the French document, and you can open. Here I created 3 pockets. So in the first one, there's this tiny photograph, then another piece of the texture rose that I made in this, I guess it's a piece of an envelope. And this is from an antique book from 1856. So it was in the front page. And here it's a vintage wallpaper. It's a pocket. And you can remove this. And here it's another pocket, and this is another journaling card. Here's a pocket, and that's a wax seal here that I added gold. And this page is so beautiful. So this is an antique photograph, and I guess it was printed, and it's blue, and it's original. So I'm adding this, matches the journal. Another little angel here on this page, and this is a journaling card, and I added a charm here, beautiful handmade paper by Heather. This is the vintage map page, and this is a journaling card that I created with this beautiful image. And it's another gorgeous image. I love this painting. And this is a vintage wallpaper. This is another pocket here, tuck spot, I guess. And the journaling card. This is a tiny lace pocket. Here is another antique postcard of this lady, so beautiful. I added some gold into this roses handmade paper. The journaling card, and you can write it in the back. That's a pocket here, and also here, beautiful rose book page. And here you can open, and there's this tiny card. This is my diet paper. There's a lot of my blue diet paper. This is a flip, so you write the bottom, and another journaling card. And this page I created a collage. Here it's another gorgeous journaling card. Another rose book page. This is a smaller version. This is a vintage encyclopedia page. Another journaling card with this image, and I love this paper, so beautiful. And this gorgeous image from a vintage book. This beautiful French document. Here it's a flip, and you can write in the back. And same thing here. And also it's a tiny pocket here, and also a pocket here, and another large journaling card. Beautiful image from the paper cameo. This is from the Divinity Blue, and I use it mostly the Divinity Blue. And a charm. It's a crystal. This is the center page. So pretty. And here I created a flip, and it's like a door, and I added this piece, so you can like open, and here it's another flip, and you can move this and write it in the back, and you can also write here. And this, it's a tuck spot, another journaling card, and you can write in the bottom here. Here is this antique photograph postcard. This is an antique book page, and here I created a belly band, and there are a couple of paper ephemera. And this is a page from an antique photograph booklet that I have. It's a French booklet with beautiful images. And here it can be like a tuck spot, or you can open and write it. This is a vintage album page, and I created this journaling card. And here there is this journaling card from another piece of the vintage map. And here it's a beautiful lace pocket with this image. So gorgeous, she's so pretty. And here it's another pocket, and I added some texture. And another pocket here with a journaling card. And this lovely pocket, they're both, the images are from the paper cameo. I think this is from the Divinity Blue, and this is from another kit, and they just match so well together. And I added this frame, and it's a pocket here. And this is another antique book page, and here it's a top pocket, also from the Divinity Blue. And here there is another frame journaling card, and also it's a tuck spot here. The vintage wallpaper in the back, and this is the back with the vintage lace, and it's gorgeous. It's full of beautiful pages, images, lace. And this is the front. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like it. Thank you. Bye.